with my husband, Ian. Say hi, Daddy. So he's gonna help me install the dash cam in our car. And this is it, the Vatenic. So we'll show you guys how we installed our dash cam in the front and in the back. So we're here and we installed the dash cam with our Kia Sedona SXL. So that's how it looks like there. See it. So this is the dash cam after installing it in our windshield. So you could see that the wire, there's two, and the screen, you could easily see the camera, and we did hid the wires underneath the side of the glass, and I was pointing it. And we also used the side, the black lining, the rubber, to hide those cables. And it's really neat because we don't really have to put any stick-ons to have it stick on the car. However, the challenge that we have in this one is hiding it in the glove box, and of course, because the cigarette lighter where the electrical output will be coming is there. At the back, we just stick the rear camera on the door and hit it also underneath this rubber lining on the side. And this is actually connected to the cable that is connected in the camera in front. So there is a red wire that we're not able to connect, but we'll see if there's any effect with the camera or when it is recording. So this is how it looks like while we're on the road. Looking at the actual shot from the front camera, it is showing a 1080 pixel wide angle lens of the camera, and it's really good, especially in daytime, because it's really clear and crisp. However, since we haven't really installed the red wire, maybe that's causing the muffled sound that is being recorded. For the rear camera, it's not as clear as the 1080 pixel resolution that we saw in the front camera. Well, I think is just enough for you to have visibility on your rear side. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, like and subscribe in my channel, and thank you for watching.